Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston on Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 2019 Scout 175 Sportfish. Starting off with the boat's exterior, this is the standard white, Scout white hull color. Up in the bow, this boat is equipped with a sport package, so it has the bow cushion, a trolling motor plug, along with storage beneath. When the cushion is removed, you got a really nice casting area. Anchor locker is forward. Pop-up cleats. Here we have a removable cooler with a cushion on top. Backrest, really comfortable seat with two Fusion Bluetooth speakers forward. 2 of 4 that are on the boat. Moving aft, got the bimini top. You have storage inside the console where your batteries are also housed. Stainless steel grab rail above the console along with the windshield. You've got the twin captain chairs on this boat. This has a footrest at the bottom too for both your driver and your passenger. The steering wheel is on an adjustable tilt with a steering knob. We've got our digital gauges from Yamaha, along with lockable glove box storage and 2 cup holders. Our Fusion Bluetooth stereo unit is here, along with our battery switch. Further aft, we've got 2 rear quarter seats with storage beneath, both port and starboard. Rod holders, cleats along the back. Small little detail, there's actually a designated step to get in and out of the boat here on the port side with non-skid. And the boat is powered by a 90 horsepower 4-stroke from Yamaha with hydraulic steering. We've also got an integrated swim platform with a telescoping boarding ladder. And that's our 175 Sportfish from Scout Boats. Again, I'm Carl Anderson at MarineMax Charleston. Give us a call at 843-747-1889 and visit us online at marinemax.com. Thank you.